Thanks for making the click today. We got a great video for you today. Just recently got back from Bowling Green, Kentucky. My son-in-law and I went down there, and you know why? The Corvette Museum. You betcha. If you're a fan of Corvettes, you own a Corvette, then you got to have the Corvette Museum on the list of things to do. That's what I had, and that's what we did. I'm going to share with you 6 minutes of a video that we took, some pictures and so forth, this of the Corvette Museum. Now, I know there's an awful lot of videos on the Corvette Museum, and rightfully so. But every time the Corvette changes, the museum changes, there's new things coming in, and they're switching things around. It's always good to see. So if you've been there before, go there again. So sit back for 6 minutes of the Corvette Museum.